Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable trade confirmation on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select View My Profile. This will take you to your personal Steam profile page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Once your profile loads, look over to the right panel of the screen. You'll notice an option that says Edit Profile. Click on this button to access your profile customization settings. This is where Steam allows you to modify how your profile appears to others and control what information is visible to the community. After clicking Edit Profile, you'll be taken to a new page with several options. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a panel with different categories. Look for and click on Privacy Settings. This section is crucial because it controls who can see different parts of your Steam account, including your inventory, game details, and friends list. Within the privacy settings, look for the inventory option. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal the available visibility options. From the list that appears, select Public. By making your inventory public, you're allowing other users to view your items, which is necessary for enabling trade confirmations and participating in the Steam trading community. Now, just below the inventory setting, you'll notice a checkbox with the text "Always keep Steam gifts private if users can see my inventory." This option, when checked, hides your Steam gifts even if your inventory is public. To fully enable trade confirmation and ensure all your tradable items are visible, you'll want to uncheck this box. Simply click on it to remove the check mark. This ensures that your entire inventory, including any Steam gifts, will be accessible for trading purposes. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Steam privacy settings to enable trade confirmation, making your inventory public and accessible for trading. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.